Not time me here. See, no, I tell you, not time me here. What do you want to do? Eh? Is there anything I want to do? What I want to do? Don't worry. Okay, what to do this one now? What do you do this one now? I do. Okay, for the screen, wait time for 20,000. Okay, what do you make the screen go line again? I don't fix them now. That's the way we talk for stock. I fix them now. You don't fix them. You cannot go for ground. You go spoil now. I can't go for ground. You go spoil. Okay, what do you make? Okay, give my money. You can't talk with this one now. Person they go hospital come back. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Give me my money. See, I fix this phone. See what happened. I fix this phone. Who bring this phone? Say my sister. I can't fix this phone. The phone they work. Who gonna come this since last 2 weeks? Who gonna come back? Come they shout for me. Why you gonna shout for me now? Come down. Send the money for it. You don't do. Not come my son. Go hospital. Person go hospital. Come back. The next week person can't die. So if I fix your phone 2 weeks later, you gonna get problem. Why go they come tell me sir go give you money back? 2 weeks later, 20,000 now. Okay, come out here back. I know I bet. When you go get for something, when you go die, what can problem be this? This can problem. Never give me the money. Never give me the money. Let's go leave this. Never give me the money. I don't smoke. Please leave this. I don't smoke. Give me my money. Give me my money. Oga, see, no time me here. No time me here. See, no, I tell you, no time me here. What you want to do? Is there anything I want to do? No, what I want to do? See, carry this boy. Okay, this man. Okay, now 20,000. You get 20,000. I fix your phone. Your phone they work. You don't worry me here. Oga, give me my money. See, that's if they work phone. 1 week later they get problem. Not be my fault. No come there, come they cause problem, come they cause him. You go spend person phone. If it's spend person phone, you go buy am.
But why you want the phone they work?
Give me my money. Give me my money. I go want for you. What do you have now? I go change that for you. I want you to take that for me. Go call person. I want you to take that for me. Why they do like this? Why you gonna put my money where they concern you?
Calm down.
What do you want to do now?
Wait now, calm down first.
Just come here, come dey
start now. The phone they work now.
Yes, I'm that person.
So how the thing come manage you know they work again?
You go tell them because me I know they work phone. But what you say they work phone? My own be say me that give am my money.
Just a year and a shot from that side. What's
See, this guy bring this phone. Bring that now. This guy bring this phone last week. Say man fix for them. I don't fix this phone. Phone gone the good. Now I'm coming now. Come the shout for me. Say the phone no good.
It's a fix phone too.
Now 20,000 I give am. Now 20,000 for this. This is 20,000. Now all my money now get 20. Yes, 20,000. Now you know do okay. For I want 20,000. I don't enjoy the phone. The phone now don't break. Let me say make I live on like that. Now I live on like that. I live on like that because I use money. The money when give me, I use money go buy materials. Come work am. I use money go buy materials. Come work am.
This phone fall down.
No, fall down. Not be so they do am. I don't know. I fix the phone. Come they tell me another thing.
Wow.
I beg more. Come out here. I'll tell this guy. Tell this guy. I go get this choke you. I go choke you this you.
Bros.
Okay, what you?
You
said what you prank?
I'm prank.
Oh, this guy. Problem with this one now. So you go down with this, you can't worry me for my show.
I prank here.
I know they work. I beg. Come out.